Are you looking for the smart air fryer? In this video we will show you the 5 best smart air fryer. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Let's dive in. Number 1. Ninja Air Fryer SL201. 8QD Double. Stack 2 basket, space-saving design, cooks 2 pounds chicken wings, feeds up to 6 people, 6-in-1 air fryer, roast, bake and more, easy to clean, dishwasher safe parts. Space-saving design, Ninja's stack design lets you cook double the food in nearly half the space and still fits under standard cabinets. Plus, it's 40% slimmer than your traditional 2-basket air fryers. Double stack air frying technology. Only Ninja's stack design has 2 independently controlled baskets so you can cook 4 foods at once. Cook 4 foods with stacked meal racks, includes 2 removable stacked meal racks allowing you to cook on 2 levels per basket. Superheated air surrounds both foods in each basket for an all-around crisp. Smart Finish and Match Cook. Choose between the Smart Finish feature, which unlocks cooking 2 foods 2 ways that finish at the same time, and the Match Cook feature, which easily copies settings across zones for full 8QT capacity meals. Family-sized capacity. 8QD capacity lets you cook 4 pounds of chicken wings at once and can feed up to 6 people. 6-in-1 functionality. Includes 6 versatile cooking programs: air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. Less fat, up to 75% less fat than traditional air frying methods. Tested against hand-cut, deep-fried French fries. Number 2. CHEFMAN 6-quart dual basket air fryer. Oven with easy view windows, sync finish, high fry, auto shutoff, 2 independent 3QT non-stick dishwasher safe frying baskets, digital double air fryer. Dual air fryer with 2 baskets. Cook food faster and more conveniently with 2 powerful air fryers and one with a combined 6-quart large air fryer capacity. Versatile cooking options. Dual zone air fryer technology gives you the flexibility to cook different dishes simultaneously, or to easily switch from one basket to the other. Food finishes together. Convenient sync finish allows individual 3-quart large capacity air fryer double baskets to finish cooking at the same time. Wide temperature range. Digital air fryer dual basket temperature settings from 200 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit allow you to cook at low and high heat for food just the way you want it. Healthy food prep. Enjoy all your favorite fried foods without sacrificing flavor or quality. This dual basket air fryer convection oven requires little to no oil for healthier frying results. Large viewing windows. Effortlessly monitor and observe your air fryer oven's cooking progress, ensuring perfect doneness and precision every single time. Easy cleanup. The removable, non-stick coated air fryer dual baskets are dishwasher safe and easy to clean after every use. Number 3. CHEFMAN Air Fryer RJ38-7TW. TurboFry 7QT 6-in-1 high-powered 450 degrees Fahrenheit cooking for crispier results. Compact space-saving design, air fry, bake, broil, reheat, dehydrate, defrost, fast and even cooking. Supercharged convection power, the next evolution in air frying. A high-tech DC motor powers this TurboFry air fryer, cooking up to 40% faster than other CHEFMAN air fryers with a maximum temperature of 450 degrees Fahrenheit for crispier, juicier results. 6-in-1 versatility, more than just an air fryer. This all-in-one digital air fryer features a built-in touchscreen UI with 6 cooking functions: air fry, broil, dehydrate, convection bake, reheat, and cook frozen foods for ultimate versatility. Extra crispy frozen fries. Achieve perfectly crisp frozen foods like mozzarella sticks, chicken tenders, and tater tots. The frozen function starts at a low temp to defrost, then automatically crisps to golden brown perfection. Space-saving design. The narrow design maximizes cooking capacity while saving space for your other kitchen appliances. No need to settle for a small air fryer anymore. Plus, the elongated frame makes it perfect for cooking long foods, like salmon fillets or asparagus. Family-sized 7-quart capacity. Cook for up to 6 people in minutes. The XL non-stick basket holds large portions, while the shake reminder ensures evenly crisp results every time. Easy view window. No need to open the air fryer. The built-in viewing window lets you check on doneness without losing heat. while the auto shutoff ensures safety when the timer runs out or the basket is removed. Number 4. COSORI Smart 12-in-1 Air Fryer. Toaster oven combo, air fryer, convection oven, countertop, bake, roast, reheat, broiler, dehydrate, 75 recipes and 3 accessories, 26 cutie, silver stainless steel. Brand, COSORI. Color, silver stainless steel. Product dimensions, 16.3 inch dx 16.9 wx 15.5 h. Capacity, 26 liters. Special feature, smart control. Cook versatile, 12 functions for air fry, bake, toast, roast, broil, etc. It's more than just a smart oven. Fulfill family needs, perfect for 6 slices of bread, a 12-inch pizza, or a 5 pounds whole chicken to create an entire family meal in one 26 cutie oven. Make this Christmas unforgettable with a culinary creation that delights the whole family. Cook in minutes, 6 heat elements and a 2-speed fan. Enjoy rapid heat circulation for evenly cooked food in less time. Cook smart, stay inspired with recipes on the free VeSync app by connecting to Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. You'll be cooking like a pro in no time. Stainless steel. Crafted with stainless steel, it's durable for the kitchen. Helpful accessories includes 1 oven rack, 1 food tray, 1 fry basket, 1 crumb tray, and a recipe book. Search B0B92TPHTV, B0B93CMST3, and B0B8ZNVRX3 for accessories. Easy to clean, external removable crumb tray prevents the backflow of the soup from dirtying the bottom. The non-stick food tray is easy to clean. Requirements: to access VeSync, a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network is required. The product can only be used with a voltage of AC 120V, 60 Hz, which only applies to the US and Canada. The product is ETL listed. Number 5. CHEFMAN 2QT Mini Air Fryer. Digital space-saving compact air fryer with non-stick and dishwasher-safe basket, quick and easy meals in minutes, features digital timer and shake reminder. Special feature, digital, non-stick, dishwasher-safe, shake reminder. Product dimensions, 10-inch dx10 wx 8.3 h. Color, black. Capacity, 2 quarts. Material, aluminum, plastic. Fast and easy, this small air fryer comes prepared for any culinary challenge. The capacitive touchscreen display can customize your cooking time and temperature up to a maximum of 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook food fast up to 3 times quicker than an oven. Healthy cooking, say goodbye to excess oil and fat, and hello to healthy cooking. This mini air fryer uses little to no oil to make delicious meals that are good for you too. Supreme space saver, the square basket maximizes its 2-quart capacity. Housed in a sleek, narrow design to keep its countertop footprint small, this air fryer eliminates clutter and extraneous appliances. Shake notifications. Halfway through cooking, the TurboFry air fryer automatically notifies you with an audible alarm that it's time to shake your food for the crispiest results possible. Compact storage. This 2-quart air fryer is perfectly sized for healthy meals for 1 to 2 people. It fits in perfectly as a mainstay on your countertop, or its small frame fits perfectly in your cabinets. Simple cleanup. The non-stick 2-quart basket and rack are both dishwasher safe to keep cleanup fast and simple. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.